Welcome to Regal Nigeria Limited, where we give you information about some agricultural crops. Today we shall talk about apiculture. Apiculture, or beekeeping, is an area of agriculture which deals with the study and maintenance of honey-producing bees. A beekeeper, or apiarist, keeps bees in order to collect their honey and other products that the hive produce, including beeswax, propolis, flower pollen, bee pollen, and royal gel to pollinate the crops or to produce bees for sale to other beekeepers. A location where bees are kept is called a bee yard or apiary. Apiculture is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly in man-made hives, by humans. Most of such bees are honeybees in the genus Apis, but other honey-producing bees, such as Melipona stingless bees, are also kept. BEEWAX production is a major product or a minor byproduct. The management techniques that yields the highest amount of wax per hive is the top bar hive. During the harvest of the honey from top bar hives, the whole honeycomb is removed and crushed to extract the honey. Modern bee systems are mostly top bar hives and vertical stackable hives. It is widely acceptable system in many countries. It is considered to be one of the ways for modern beekeeping in Nigeria. It is a simple modification of the Langstroth frame. In this way, the bees build their combs hanging down from the center of the bar. Therefore, the combs are not supported from all four sides and can be easily broken. It's possible to be done with care. They can also be removed and replaced quietly during any inspection. Pollination management. Pollination can be by insect or hand, as this practice enhances pollination of a crop to improve yield or quality. By understanding of a particular crop's pollination needs and by knowledgeable management of pollinizers, pollinators, and pollination conditions. Generally, a queen bee stays in a big chamber of the colony, which is located at the lower part of the bee hive. A queen bee generally mates with drone once in her life. On an average, a queen bee can lay 2,000 to 3,000 eggs daily. They lay both fertilized and infertilized eggs. The next queen of the colony and worker bees are born from the fertilized egg, and the infertilized egg produces drone bees. It is not recommended to feed the bees. Rather, you must ensure a crop field is available near your farm. Harvesting. Honey, beeswax, royal jelly, bee venom, propolis, and pollen are the main bee products from a commercial honeybee farming business. You should harvest honey at the end of the flowering season. In traditional system, you should select a comb which contains ripe honey covered with a fine layer of white bee wax. Generally, those nearest the outside of the necks, and honey is extracted only from super combs using honey extractor equipment. Caring for the bees is not important. They will take good care of themselves. You just keep the colony clean and well managed. Health benefits of honey. Raw honey has been used as a remedy throughout history and has a variety of health benefits and medical uses. It's even used in some hospitals as a treatment for wounds. A good source of antioxidants, help for digestive issues, soothes a sore throat and cough, contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, and contains micronutrients.